You are asking, how did you get here? I don't know either. But you are once a very brilliant student. You were once very courageous. You were once very intelligent person. You were once most sought for. But what changed? And you are asking, how did you get here? You see, we take so many things for granted. When we are at the top, we thought we own it all. We don't respect those down holding the ladder for us. So when they leave us all by ourselves and the ladder fell down, we come down with it and we start to ask questions. Many of us, we are the product of our downfall because we did not respect those who pushed us to the top. We think or we thought we have made it. We don't respect our elders. We don't respect our colleagues. Even our children, our friends, we don't respect them. Above all, we point accusing fingers to our parents, our father's house, the land that first heard us. We accuse them of so many things. The stream that you have once drank when you are thirsty, today that stream is of no use for you. The tree that bear fruit for you when you are hungry, today is of no use for you. You sat down under that tree when the sun is beating you up, but today it's of no use for you. That umbrella you think is nothing. It was your savior when it was raining, but now it's of no use for you. Remember when you are down there, those who push you up. When you are in need, those who help you, remember them. If you have nothing to give them, do not accuse them falsely. For if they say, or they say they shed tears, or they shake their head, it speaks volume than they will open their mouth and say something to you. Never bite the finger that feeds you.